Let's compare the Swiffer XL with the Swiffer Power Mop. So these are both really great cleaners for your floor. I use the Swiffer XL. You can put a pad on there. I usually use the dry cleaning pad. Don't have one on there now, but basically you move it along on the floor and it's going to pick up and lock in dust on that pad. And I find it works extremely well. It's pretty wide, so you can use it on a bigger floor, a bigger surface area, and it's great for picking up dust. Now, the Swiffer Power Mop is a little bit different. It actually has a bottle of cleaning solution and a pump. And when I press this button on the handle, it's actually going to spray the cleaning solution out in front of the device, and then you pick up that cleaning solution using that mopping pad. So basically, this is, with the Power Mop, more of a replacement for a traditional mop. And the Swiffer Sweeper XL is, in my experience, best for dust, essentially. So what I like to do is to actually dust first with the Swiffer Sweeper XL, get all that surface level dust off, and then use the Power Mop for any kind of stuck on dirt or anything like that that might be on the floor that's not just dust. Now, some things that are similar, they both use pads. They're both very wide, so you can see the XL is a little bit wider, but really the Power Mop is quite a wide device. It covers a nice amount of surface area, but they do use different pads. The pads are not the same and they're not compatible with each other. So the Swiffer Power Mop uses this little mopping pad with these pieces that come off. It's designed for that wet cleaning. The Swiffer XL uses either wet or dry Swiffer XL pads, special pads just for it. So the pads are not compatible, but they both do use those removable pads. Both of them are great. Again, I like to use the XL for my dusting first, and then use the Power Mop for picking up any of those more stuck-on stains afterwards.